Its grand stage, the ICIC Champions Trophy 2025 is making headlines, but not just for the game. Pakistan's security is on high alert as a terror threat loom over the tournament. What's happening? Who is behind it? And how will it affect the tournament? Stay tuned to find out. Pakistan is hosting ICIC Champions Trophy 2025, one of the cricket's most prestigious tournament. However, security concerns have overshadowed the excitement, raising questions about safety of players and fans. Recent intelligence reports indicate that terrorist group, including the Islamic State Khorasan province and Tehrik-e-Taliban Pakistan, are planning attacks, with the kidnapping threats targeting foreign nationals. In response, the Pakistani authorities have ramped up security measures. Armed personnel are guarding match venues, and the security protocols have been tightened for the players and officials. Due to security concerns, India has refused to play its matches in Pakistan. As a result, India's matches will be held in the UAE, leading to debates about fairness and whether this gives India an advantage. With threats looming, the big question remains: is it safe to hold an international tournament in Pakistan? And will other teams follow India's lead in seeking an alternative venue? As we analyze this, another major incident demands our attention. Let's dive right in. A Bangladesh Air Force base under attack by its own people. Over 200 civilians stormed the air base in the Cox's Bazar, leading to violent clashes and gunfire. But why did this happen? Is this a case of military operation, or is there more to story? Let's break down. Yes, Bangladesh has an air force. One of these bases, located near the Myanmar border in the scenic Cox's Bazar, became the site of shocking attack. According to reports, around 200 to 300 civilians attacked the base, throwing stones and attempting to set the area on fire. The result: the armed forces opened fire on their own people. Now, here the story gets really strange. According to official reports, this chaos began when an unidentified man was taken inside the airbase for questioning. The Air Force claimed he lacked proper documents, but within a minute, a crowd of over 200 people gathered and attacked the base. Was this just a spontaneous riot, or was it a well planned response? After all, people came prepared with stones and flammable materials, which suggests that the attack was not entirely unplanned. This isn't the first time Bangladesh military has been accused by mistreating civilians. Many locals in Cox's Bazar claim that the military operates with excessive force, often detaining and harassing people without explanation. So, was this an isolated incident? As the tension escalated, the Air Force responded with live fires. Reports suggest that four Air Force personnel, including an officer, were injured in a stone pelting. But this that justified firing at unarmed civilians. Meanwhile, the crowd attempted to set fire to the surrounding area, possible in efforts to burn down the parts of the base. However, their attempts failed. These unanswered questions raise concern about civil-military relations in Bangladesh and whether similar incident could happen again. If you found this video informative, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notification for the more breaking updates. Thank you for watching.